coat of woodworm treatment, we do want these roof beams, timbers to last. Talking to the previous owner, and she said that they used to put fires in the attic and smoke the timbers.
For the next task, insulating the eaves, I admitted defeat and called in the experts.
So here we go. Show me the ropes. Okay, that's how you... Yeah, I need one of those. They clearly have a lot of experience and they know what they're doing, and they've got some nice tools which I lust after. This massive knife that Alyosha's wielding. It's very important that there's no gaps.
It's your turn. It's okay?
Do you think I'm going to be able to do it?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah?
You can do it.
Okay, the guys have gone. I'm a little nervous about this, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best. That's all I can say. I have finished the side walls. It's taken a lot longer than I thought. It feels like the sound is becoming more like a house. So yeah, it's June and this has been the year's work so far. Yeah, you wouldn't say it's fast. And now we're going to do internal walls. Here comes Alesh, my knight in shining armor. He's got skills. These pieces of wood are going to be on display in our apartment for, well, hopefully forever. I've got to get up there. I've been waiting to do this for a long time, but the campsite has been so busy, and suddenly my hand is forced because the windows are coming up here. Here we go. There it is. And like that, he's gone. We did it. Oh. That was exhausting, but oh my God, I'm so pleased. This wood, sanded, touch of varnish maybe not much, just natural. They're going to be the walls to the house. Here are the windows to the top floor. Oh wow. Yeah, they're good. Something's happened while I was at the campsite, hasn't it?
No windows down they are. So no, not that. Now close eyes.
It's quite hard for me to close my eyes up the stairs, darling.
It's okay, I've got you. Now open.
Oh, wonderful. They are great.
Nice, don't they?
Yeah.
And look,
But you love the colour?
Yeah.
have a look.
Wow. Oh, they're nice and chunky, aren't they?
Yeah, they are quite chunky. They're a bit
Oh,
too
I like
chunky for me, but
Nice action. I keep on seeing faces in the wood. Is it looking at me?